Hey, what's up guys? So you have a Hisense smart TV, the Android TV version, and you have an issue where your remote is basically not working. Maybe it's just unresponsive, or it's basically slow or delayed, or it just has like a slow response or a laggy response. In other words, if you go ahead and like press like right, it doesn't go right within like 1 second. It'll hesitate for like 1 or 2 seconds, or 2 or 3 seconds, or 4 seconds, then it'll finally move. Okay. Anyway, going to give you several solutions to get you up and running, and this is only going to work for 50% of you guys. Okay, so first thing is this. Now go to your Hisense TV, make sure it's on. Okay, so turn it on, and then while it's on, what I want you to do is go ahead and pull the plug. So go ahead and pull the plug. All right, now wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in. After you plug it back in, turn your TV on and see if your remote is working. If it's still down, then we're gonna go to the next step. So for this next step here, go ahead and grab your remote, and what I want you to do is go ahead and pop the back plate off, and go ahead and take out your batteries here. Okay, so with your batteries out, go ahead and grab your remote, and first thing is press and hold this power button for 30 seconds. Okay, press and hold for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, go ahead and let go, and now go ahead and start pressing every single button on here. Start spamming, even the power button, everything. Okay, so keep on going all the way down. So every single button on here. Okay, and you kind of want to press kind of hard, and keep pressing every button here multiple times. What typically happens if you get like water or like lotion or dust or lint, soda, coffee that kind of gets stuck in here, even if it gets stuck like in like one button area, it can cause havoc on the entire remote. Okay, so just keep spamming. After you do that, give it a couple whacks, and now from here, go ahead and put your batteries back in. Don't put your back plate on yet. Okay, put your batteries back in, and then turn your TV on and see if it works. If it doesn't work, do the same thing. Okay, usually it takes like 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, so again, if it didn't work, take the batteries back out. Remember, press and hold that power button for 30 seconds. Do not let go. After 30 seconds, let go, and then spam it. Start with the power button here, in and out, in and out. Get everything all nice and loose. Just go crazy. Okay, every single button on here. Give it a couple of whacks, and then again, put your batteries back in, and then see if your remote is working correctly. Now, if it's not, do the same procedure, taking out the battery, holding down the power button, and then spamming all the buttons. Do that 5 or 6 times. If you did it 6 times and you're still down, the next thing I want you to do is go ahead and grab yourself a new pair of batteries, these AAA batteries, and then before you put it in, I want you to spam it again, or do the same thing. Press and hold for 30 seconds, let go, and then spam every single button on here, and then put in the new batteries, and then see if that works. Okay, by now at least 50% of you guys should be up. Okay, so if it worked for you, thumbs up. If it didn't, thumbs down. Good luck.